The Sierra HD Grande concept exudes an aura of invincibility, as if it could effortlessly plow through a solid brick wall. This commanding presence is primarily attributed to its colossal grille guard, a remarkable AEV prototype that not only safeguards the front but also shields the headlights from potential harm. Adorning the grille guard are 4 high-powered off-road lights, accompanied by a formidable 12,500-pound come-up winch, ready to tackle the most challenging situations. This robust winch seamlessly integrates into a rugged steel front bumper that mirrors the one found on the Sierra HD AT4X AEV edition. In line with its formidable counterpart, this concept proudly boasts the AT4X suspension, equipped with multimatic spool valve dampers and a 1.5-inch lift, ensuring that it can conquer formidable terrain with ease. Complementing this setup are colossal 40-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, elegantly mounted on Salta XD wheels. For added peace of mind, a full-size spare tire stands ready in the truck's expansive 8-foot aluminum flatbed. To safeguard the underbelly from the unforgiving terrain, AEV has thoughtfully added stamped steel skid plates, fortifying the truck's resilience. The rear end of the vehicle features a customized steel bumper, boasting an impressive 9,500-pound winch. Furthermore, the Sierra HD Grande concept is equipped with an array of useful accessories, including an ARB air compressor and a snorkel air intake. This snorkel air intake is a vital feature, enabling the powerful Duramax diesel engine, a 6.6-liter V8 generating a formidable 470 horsepower and a colossal 975 pound-feet of torque, to breathe effortlessly even when traversing through water obstacles. In essence, the Sierra HD Grande concept presents an imposing and commanding presence. It's not just the oversized tires and the formidable brush guard, it's also the custom paint, a unique touch not typically found on factory models, and the prototype AEV front fender flares. While a standard 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD regular cab starts at just over $47,000, the amalgamation of custom enhancements in this concept renders it truly priceless.